Hi guys, good morning and welcome to my channel please. So today is Monday and it's around 8 a.m. 8 a.m. in the morning. So I was thinking to film a video like a day in my life video or just a day in my life working from home video. So yeah, I have planned it on doing it on a vlog style. So, as I mentioned, today is Monday and it's around 8 a.m. I just woke up. It's just been 10 minutes that I've just woke up. And as you have seen in the beginning of this video, I'm drinking a glass of warm water. That is my morning ritual. You can say I love to wake up to a warm water. And after that, so as you have seen that I was just logging in through my laptop. So basically, again, my company has given me work from home. um, the situation in this world at this moment is not good. So yeah, I'm just working from home. I just logged in and I am just logging in early as possible so that I can shut down as early as possible and I can do some workout. So my workout is whenever I do the workout, it's a very weird, I will say my routines are really weird with my working out schedule. Sometimes I like to work out in the morning, sometimes it will be evening. Again, it just keep on changing every 2-3 months. So yeah, so yeah, earlier a month ago I was totally into working out in the morning, so I used to wake up as early as possible. And so as I earlier a month ago when everything was just opening up, I was going to my work. So I used to wake up as early as possible and I used to do the workout in the morning itself. But nowadays I'm quite enjoying it in the evening. And also, guys, I am into the Chloe Ting's 2 weeks shred challenge. Everyone is talking it in the internet. Whenever I'm just opening up my YouTube or any places, everyone is just reviewing it. The Chloe Ting's 2 weeks challenge, and believe me, guys, I've seen a lot of positive responses. So I thought, why not? Just take the challenge and just see. So I'm into the fourth day now. Just started it. Just started it. I'm into the fourth day and I'm quite enjoying it. Yes. So yeah, I'll just finish my warm water. Then I will just go and make my breakfast. Again, my breakfast kind of keep on changing. It totally depends upon how lethargic I'm feeling for the day. Someday I'll feel like I don't want to make a huge breakfast or anything that will be like a little bit of complicated like poha, upma. So in on those days, what I usually do is that I will just simply make some scrambled egg or I will just simply make a toast butter. But today I'm just craving smoothie ball. I'm craving it. I'm literally craving smoothie ball. It's been a while since I had a smoothie ball because I was not able to get hold of bananas nowadays. Everything is just within hours, everything is going up, like going the shop is going out of the fruits, especially the bananas. So whenever I get a banana, definitely I'm gonna make a smoothie ball or a smoothie to have on the morning. So yeah, I'll enjoy my warm water when I'll be making this smoothie ball. I'll definitely show you guys. I totally got distracted with Instagram Reels. It's feel like it's TikTok and I just keep on scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. So now it's just 9:15. So I really want to have some breakfast. I'm really feeling hungry at this point of time. So let's just go and make some smoothie ball. So I'm just making the basic uh, smoothie at this moment. I'm just gonna use one banana, 1 cup of oats, then 1 teaspoon of sorry, 1 teaspoon of peanut butter. My favorite is peanut butter ever. So I'm just gonna use 1 teaspoon of peanut butter. If you have jaggery, or else if you have dates, you can definitely put it on your smoothie, but at this moment I don't have any dates, so I'm just gonna ignore it. So you don't need any sweeteners again, because I have got a banana which is a raw banana, so it's really sweet. I don't need any sweeteners, and if you want you can definitely add some cocoa or cacao powder, but again I just wanted to make a basic one, so these three ingredients are good for me. Now I'm gonna put in some granula on this smoothie ball. So I really in love with this granola, the granola almond and cranberry from Kellogg's, and also I just love its chocolate version. I just really love it. So I'm gonna put it some granola and flaxseed, and I'm good to go. So I'll just have my breakfast and I'm gonna watch some Netflix. So currently I'm watching the show Dark. So Dark is my breakfast time at this moment. I'm just like I will say I'm not that obsessed. It's reflecting here. So I will just say that I'm not just that like into this show, The Dark. I really don't like it. But yeah, I really wanted to complete it because I have heard that after the season one, you may like this show. So I will try to like it. So I'll just go through it. I have just completed the season one, and I'm just gonna watch the seasons two's episode one. So yeah, I don't know that I really don't know that I will like this show or not further, but I'm trying to complete it. But before starting the show, I'm just gonna call my mom and I'm just gonna ask her how she is doing, take all the information of the house, like how my all the cousins, my aunt, uncle and aunts are doing. I belong from a very huge joint family and all stays together. So yeah, I'm just gonna catch up with my mom and then I'm gonna watch my show and I'll have my breakfast and I'll catch you guys later. I don't know where the time has flown by. It's 11:15 a.m. at this moment and I have a lot of to. I have to make my bed, I have to dust my home, I have to clean my home at this moment. Left watching yeah, I just left watching Dark by the first episode itself. Again, as I mentioned, I'm not into the Dark a lot. So yeah, I went back to her. I went back to her. So yeah, I went back to Tara Michelle, and I just keep on watching her vlogs on like Netflix show, just like a Netflix show. Now I just have to make my bed and I just have to do dusting for my home. So here you can see the condition of my bed. It's not that good. I will keep a transition over here. It's much better. Definitely it's much better. So guys, I just done with cleaning my home. I just done with dusting also. So it's 12 p.m. at this moment. I know it's a lunchtime, but I'm not a early eater lunch. I don't have my lunch so early. I know that's not that healthy. You should have it on time, but that's me. I don't love to eat my lunch so early, so I'll just snack on something. I'll just munch on something at this moment. Then I'll do some office work. So I have to complete some of my assignments. So I'll just go through it. I'll just complete my office work. Again, I'll just binge watch on Tara Michelle's vlogs. I love her. I love her a lot. Yeah, and I'll get back to you guys whenever I'll having my lunch. So guys, I just came out from my shower and now it's time for some devotion. Every day after taking shower, after taking bath, I will definitely do my devotions. At least for it just take a 5 minutes of time. It also not only yeah, I believe in God. I'm very much religious and also it gives me some positivity throughout the day. So yeah, let's just do some devotion. So I'm just having a very late lunch. So I'm just having a quinoa with ground rich sabzi and yeah, some ghee. And this is for today because I'm just having a very late lunch. Hi guys, now it's around 4:30 p.m. and I just wanted to edit some of my videos for this week that will be posting. Yeah, so so guys, I'll be editing this week's video, and also the last week video that I have posted. I'll be editing it on Canva for the promotional thing that I always put on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, do follow me. Here is my username, just go and follow me over there. So on the status I just post post a short form of the video that I have posted every week, and I will edit it in on Canva and Storyteller. I think there is one more app. I'll just put it in the screen. One second, I will just show you the app. It is known as Unfold. Yeah, this is how it is known as Unfold. So over here I will make a short form of the video for the promotional thing, and also I'll be editing one in Canva, and then I'll post it on Instagram story. So I'm just sipping on my cold brew. Yeah, I make cold brew, and I just really love the cold brew. And also I have made a video on it, like a short reel, Instagram reel video, that how I make my cold brew. So if you have not yet followed me on Instagram, definitely go and check it out. So yeah, so at least it will take 1 hour for editing and posting it on Instagram. So I will just do it. After that I will do the editing of the video for this week. Then I will just do more work from my office, and I'll see you all as soon as I'm done with my work. So it's around 6:30 p.m. and I'm ready to work out at this moment. I'm done with my office work. I'm done with my editing. Now it's time to crack some body, do some exercise, be healthy. So yeah, as I mentioned earlier that I am doing Chloe Ting's 2 weeks shred challenge. So here I am starting with the day 2. So it's already been 15 minutes since I have done with the workout, and since then also you can see the redness on my face. It was breathtaking. It's actually hard. It's not that easy, guys. It's hard, and I have done 3 exercises and I feel quite good. So as I mentioned, it's been 15 minutes since I have done with my workout. So I have made some brown bread. Like I have just toasted the brown bread with some garlic salt in it. And now it's, as I mentioned, it's Monday, so I'll be planning out for the day. So I usually use this planner from 9gram, and I will just plan it. It's just a basic planner, like monthly and weekly basic planner. So I'm just gonna plan the whole week. I love to plan weekly. I'm not a monthly planner or daily planner. I will just plan for the week. So I'm gonna sit down and plan, and this is the end of today's vlog. So I hope that you all have enjoyed a day in my life. If so, don't forget to click the like button and give a like to this video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and if you're subscribing, it will definitely motivate me to film more. So please guys, don't forget to click the red subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I will be coming with more such kind of contents on later days. So I will see you all in the next video. Till then, you all stay beautiful. Yeah, bye.